So I love just about every aspect of fall, from photography to spending time with family and friends during the holidays, and finding cool things like this on the ground. It's as big as my face. The one thing that I hate, absolutely hate about fall is, one, I gotta bust this bad boy out, and it's that time of the year. We're here in North Bend, checking out the Twin Falls. It's been a while since we've gotten out because of COVID and all, so time to work off those donuts. I don't even eat donuts.
No, we really don't.
The pizza and the football gear.
Yep.
Pretty crowded here, wouldn't you say?
It is. I mean, you can still keep a good distance, except when you're walking past.
Yeah. But everybody's wearing a mask.
Yeah. And you have your puppy mask on.
My what?
Your puppy mask.
Oh, no.
It's even better then.
How do I look then?
You like a puppy dog. Like Juno.
Want to head up?
Sure.
Looking out there.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. I'm still trying to figure out where they put the Twin Falls.
That's where we're going, down there. I think it's called, I don't know why it's called Twin Falls.
Yeah,
how you doing?
They really only see one.
How you doing?
Good, my eyes are a little watery now.
Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Guys, check this out. It's not enough the camera, but absolutely amazing. Look at that. This is why my back hurts so bad today. I think I need to learn to pack a little lighter.